So hey boutique babes, I'm back and guess what? I've gotten one of the packages from one of our vendors and this is going to be one of the items that's in our upcoming collection. So let's unbox it. Y'all, it always feels like Christmas whenever new stuff comes in. I love having packages at the door. Boom. Let's see how it looks. Cling to your body too much. This is perfect because it's gonna come with pockets. Okay, we love pockets, right? Girl, who don't love pockets? And you can easily dress it up or dress it down. It's gonna be perfect because you could easily throw on a blazer or a denim top and you could wear it to the office to make it work, and then go out for drinks afterwards or go out with your girls after work, take it off, and boom, you're looking cute. Or if you want to go and run errands, you know, you got to throw on something real quick, go and pick up the kids from school, whatever it may be, you can have this on and you can be looking cute and not have to worry about do I look presentable to go anywhere. Easy peasy, throw on and go, which is what we love as moms, right? I need something where I can look cute and be on the go and I don't have to worry too much or think too much into the outfit. Okay, love y'all.